Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do bounced American spins. It's going to be really helpful if you already know how to do an American spin. In case you haven't met that, then I'll put a link in the description below, so it'll be really easy for you to go back and find that clip quickly. And we're going to jump straight in. So bounced American spins look like this. Obviously you could bounce it as many times as you like, but it gets boring pretty quick if you do too many. So short version goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. Starts like a standard American spin, semicircle and back, preparation. This is where things start to change because we need to get to the lady's left hand. So as we push to start the spin, the left hand's got to get in, slide across the back, which tells the lady, can I have your left hand please? So we're going to come round. Hopefully we're going to be able to go under the lady's right arm. We're going to reach across for the lady's left, but we're going to guide it up and into a flat position so that we can bring her to a stop and a preparation. And then we can bounce, mirror image of what we did before. Don't drag the hand the second time because we don't want the lady thinking you want the left hand again. So we're going to come around, reach for the right, guide it back up into the prep, and then we can do another American spin. This time we just do a standard catch, return, and we're done. So if we come around to the other side, we'll think numbers. So we go back 1, preparation 2, drag the hand 3, preparation 4, spin 5, preparation 6, spin 7, catch 8, return 1 and back 2. So let's try it together. Here we go, right to right, and 5, 6, bounced American spins. We go a back, flat, drag the hand, preparation, spin, preparation, spin, catch, return, and you're done. And that's it, bounced American spins. Hope you find them to be good fun out on the dance floor. This is one of those things that if your technique from the point of view of picking up the left hand is good for both of you, it's easy. If the lady maybe just takes hold with the nearest hand, no matter what information she's been given, this has a tendency to go wrong. So forewarned is forearmed. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out if you have notifications turned on. User recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.